All right, we are here in our new 28 front bathroom model. Super excited to show this to you. This year we went off the charts on the capacity. It now has 6K axles, and we looked at that. We beefed up the frame. It has the bigger axles, but previously our old floor plan, you couldn't fit any car. So what we've done is completely redesigned the kitchen, moved the fridge over to the other side. Now you have 17 foot 10 inches clear up to the kitchen, so there's really essentially no car that won't fit in this vehicle. And what we've also got that makes this such a unique unit is the configurable furniture track system, which is in all our toy haulers right now. And with that allows you to move the furniture wherever you want it. If you've got a car that the sofa doesn't work here, no problem. If you want to add more sofas or dinettes, you can move it around. You got a buddy and a ratchet, you can make it the way you want it. Which leads to, if you did want to sell this thing or you want to get one of our big fifth wheels down the road, it makes it so cost effective because I can add furniture to it later. I don't have to know what my buddies are going to need or want because this thing is so universal. Once you fold up all the beds, the sofas, we'll show you what that looks like. You now have a huge wide open space to be a very extremely versatile trailer for you. One of the new cool options that we've had, but maybe you didn't know about, is there's a winch option. There's also an escape door option that you can get on this. And the intent with this model is that we know there's a lot of people that want to go to a weekend race or they're a car club, but now they're either using a motorhome or they have just a car trailer, but then they got to go back to the hotel. Well, with this, you'll be able to pull the car out, pull the vehicle out, whatever it is you're taking to that event, and now you'll be able to spend the night in it. It's so configurable. It's such a versatile trailer. The beauty of it is this whole trailer can be cleared out, move all the furniture up, and now we have this huge wide open space to put whatever, kayaks, bicycles, motorcycles, side-by-sides, you name it, the toys, big cars. Pull that stuff out, everything converts into a very nice open space camper. You can add more beds as needed, more sofas, so it's extremely versatile. So it's a car hauler, it's a toy hauler, it's a camper, it's all those things in one unit, so it makes it very cost effective for you.